We're gonna caramelize these onions in a sauce pot with some butter and some olive oil. And this process is gonna take anywhere from like 20 to 30 minutes because we're gonna be working on like a medium heat, right? We don't wanna like overdo it and burn these onions. We just wanna caramelize them, right? So we're gonna do that and we're gonna be in the game, fam. We're gonna be working over medium heat and we're going in with 3/4 of a stick of butter. So as this butter melts, like I said, we're gonna add our onions. Hey, you wanna stir these, you know, every couple minutes or so. Get them moved around so you can get them softened, and then they'll start caramelizing for us, and they're gonna cook down. So while we cook this, I'm gonna add a couple pinches of sugar to these onions. It's gonna bring out some flavors. So I put a lid on this. We're gonna let this cook down, render down, and then about every 5 minutes, like I said, we're gonna come back, stir these up, just to make sure that all those onions get contact and we get that nice caramelization that we're looking for. All right, fam, so it's been 5 minutes. Those onions are starting to sweat. And then, like I said, we just get in here, mix these onions up, and you'll start noticing them starting to soften up. Cooking is all about patience. It's all about being able to adjust on the fly. And if you can be patient and you can adjust on the fly, fam, you'll be in the game. All right, fam, so we're about 25 minutes in. As you can see, we're starting to get some browning on the onions. So we're in the game, fam. Like I said, patience. And here's the thing about time, right? So everything will vary. Depends on like what you're cooking with, depending on where you're at. Everything varies, right? So that's why I say you got to be able to adjust, right? So I can tell you it's going to take this long, and it might be a little bit quicker based on what you're cooking with, and it might take a little bit longer. So what you need to do is, you know, watch what you're cooking, right? So especially like this recipe, you know, some people say like it'll take about a half an hour. It may take a little longer depending on how much you have. Now, fam, we're about 30 minutes into this, and as you can see right here, you got some fun building at the bottom of the pan, but you know the acidity of these onions, you can pick that fun up and then build that flavor. Like pick that up with those onions, and as they caramelize, I mean, you're gonna be developing some great flavor, man. So we're about 45 minutes in, and I'm gonna let you see this pan right here. Hey, so we're looking pretty good, and I'm gonna stop. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reduce my heat at this time. I think we got a good color on these onions. We're gonna let this garlic cook a little bit. So when this garlic becomes fragrant, we're gonna let this start smelling good, about a minute or so, and then we're gonna add some flour to the mix. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of flour, and this is gonna thicken that soup, and we want to cook that flour taste out. So we'll cook this for a couple minutes. All right, fam, so we let that cook for a couple minutes. Now we're gonna start adding in our beef broth. We're going in with 64 ounces of beef broth, and we want to let this come to a simmer, and then I'm gonna deglaze the bottom of this pan. All right, fam, we're gonna add a little bit of W sauce, which is Worcestershire sauce. Going in with 2 bay leaves. Now I'm gonna hold off on the salt, but we're gonna add some freshly ground pepper. It will give this a little stir, and we're gonna let this come up to a simmer. All right, fam, I got me some Gruyere cheese, and we're in the final stages of this recipe. We're gonna take this Gruyere cheese, we're gonna grate it, get enough to go on top. All right, fam, here we go. Hey, we've been letting this bad boy simmer for a little minute. Hey, check this out. Hey, we want to go ahead and remove that bay leaf. Just remember how many you put in. So we got 2. We got to fish that other one out. Hey, fam, your house should be smelling absolutely delicious. Now what you want is like an oven safe bowl, right? So I got me one right here, and we're gonna place that in the oven. What we want to do, fam, is we want to get us a ladle, and then we're gonna get that soup off in that bowl. And then, hey, I got my French bread right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna top that off with that Gruyere cheese, and then we're gonna put that Gruyere cheese on top. We're gonna throw this in the broiler in the oven. We're gonna place it on broil, and we're gonna let this get nice and golden. come back out, fam. Hey, we gonna be in the game. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious French onion soup. Look at that with that broiled cheese, Gruyere cheese on top.